When people think about acting, they think about the moment the camera is rolling. But what most people don't see is everything that happens in between. Because in reality, a lot of being on set is waiting. And what actors do during that time actually matters more than you think. Because that's where you reset. That's where you prepare. That's where you stay locked in. And one thing I noticed pretty quickly is that every actor handles that time differently. There's no one way to do it. But there are patterns. The first type are the actors who stay completely locked in. You can feel it. They're quiet, focused, not really engaging in conversation. And it's not personal. They're just protecting their energy, staying in the mindset of the character. And if you try to talk to them in those moments, you might get a quick response or no response at all. And that's something I had to learn to respect because they're working, just in a different way. The second type are actors who know how to reset quickly. They'll step out of the scene, take a breath, maybe walk around, maybe grab some water. And then when it's time, they're right back in it, like a switch, on and off. And watching that, you realize how important control is. Being able to step out and step back in without losing the performance. The third type are actors who stay social between takes. They'll talk, joke around, have small conversations, keep the energy light. And honestly, I've seen that work really well because it keeps things loose, keeps the environment fun. But when it's time to work, they lock in immediately. And that balance is impressive. I've even had moments where actors would come up, ask for something quick, like a vape hit, or just a second to decompress, and then go right back into the scene like nothing happened. And at first, that surprised me, because from the outside, you think it's all serious all the time. But being there, you realize everyone finds their own way to stay ready. And that's really the biggest takeaway. There isn't one right way to be between takes. There's only what works for you. Some people need silence. Some people need movement. Some people need conversation. But all of it comes down to one thing: being able to perform when it matters. And that's what you should focus on. Not copying someone else exactly, but figuring out what helps you stay ready, what helps you stay present, what helps you step into the moment when it's your turn. Because those in-between moments, they're not wasted time. They're preparation. They're part of the job. So if you're getting on set or planning to start thinking about that now, what kind of actor are you going to be between takes? Are you someone who stays locked in? Someone who resets quickly? Someone who keeps the energy light? There's no wrong answer, just awareness. And if this gave you a better understanding of what really happens on set, make sure you like this video and subscribe to the channel, because we're breaking down the real actor mindset, step by step, and we're doing this together.